Here's how to make stained glass biscuits for this Christmas with Odlums. 150 grams of butter, 100 grams of brown sugar. So we're just going to beat these together. 1 egg to that mixture and then beat that in. 200 grams of the Odlums cream plain super flour. Pinch of salt. We have a teaspoon of the Odlums baking powder, a teaspoon of the Goodall's vanilla essence, and a teaspoon of the Goodall's cinnamon powder. Mix this all really well together. And tip out your biscuit dough. So just roll out your biscuits and just cut. Then just cut out your preferred shape. So we're going with stars. And then just lay them onto a tray with parchment paper. So these go into the oven at 180 degrees and we're going to bake them for 15 minutes. And while they're baking, we're going to melt the glacier sweets in the microwave, or you can even do it in a pot. And once that's melted, then add some red food coloring to it and mix it in. So once they're baked, straight away get in there with either a straw or skewer, just for hanging on your Christmas tree, and make a little hole in each one while they're still hot. And spoon into the center that melted glacier sweets. And there you have it, some stained glass biscuits for this Christmas with Odlums.